Hello students, how are you? Today we will going to finish the chapter that is matter and solubility. Let's go. Uses of matter. The uses of different solid, liquid and gases. Let's see that. First of all, solids. Solids can be used in various ways because we have plenty of solids in our environment. Let's check them out. We use stones and bricks to build the houses like this. Next, most of the food items that we eat are solids. You can see the picture. Idli, dosa also are the solid foods. Next, wood. Wood is a solid thing and we can make furniture using wood. Next thing is iron. There are many uses of iron. Utensils, railings, gates, grills all can be made by the iron. Last but not the least is the plastic. You know that plastics can be used in various ways. As you can see in the picture, plenty things can be made by plastic like toys, pencil box, kitchen containers, normal containers and many more. So these are the uses of solids. These are only some examples. We can use solids more than our imagination. Next, liquid. Mercury. Have you seen this kind of thermometers? Yes, mercury is used in this thermometer because mercury is only metal that is liquid in state at our room temperature. So mercury can be used in the thermometers like this to measure the temperature of our body. Next is water. These are the uses of water. Water is used in various things like drinking, washing hand, brushing teeth, bathing, cooking, watering the plants and many more. Next, milk and milk products are used for making ice cream, chocolates and so many other things as you can see in the picture. Liquids are also used in the preparation of medicine. Next, petrol and diesel are used as fuel for our vehicles like you see in the picture. And lastly, kerosene, it is also used as a fuel for cooking and lighting the lamp as you can see in the picture. So these are the uses of liquid. Gas. We know that gas is everywhere around us. Let us see some uses of gas. Oxygen. Yes, it is very essential for all living things. Like you can see, we can take oxygen from the plants. Next is carbon dioxide, which we can give to the plants. It is essential for the preparation of food for the plants. Lastly, we can see this kind of cylinders. Yes, this is a LPG cylinder and it is an environment friendly fuel which is used for cooking and running auto rickshaws. Okay students, so these are the uses of solids, liquids and gas around us. There are so many other uses too. You can make a list of them. Okay? I hope you have all understood this class. So we will meet you in the next class. Bye bye.